Hello, good day. My name is Imran Aslam. Today I am going to give a demonstration on PSV Solution Application. Today we are going to talk about the installation procedure of the application and the main feature of the application. So let's start first with the application installation procedure. So if you already have downloaded the application setup file that will be available on your computer, then simply by double clicking on the installation setup file, the installation setup wizard will be launched. On the application installation setup wizard, you can select the language as appropriate. English, Spanish and French are provided as an option. By simply selecting the preferred language and then pressing the OK button, it will take you to the license agreement window, whereupon accepting the terms of agreement and pressing the next button, you will find an information window. Again, by pressing the next button will take you to the additional feature where it will ask you to create a desktop application shortcut on the desktop. It is always good to create a desktop application shortcut so that the application can be launched anytime in future straight from the desktop. Again, by pressing the next button, it will take you to the main installation final step. Here, by pressing the install button, the application will be installed on the computer immediately within few seconds. Now, since I have already installed the application, I will not install the application again on my computer. Instead, I will press the cancel button to exit the installation setup wizard. Then I can simply go to my desktop where I already have this shortcut of the application where I will simply double click on this application shortcut. The application will be launched. Once the application is launched, you will find the main dashboard window. On the main dashboard window, there are 10 different PSV sizing applications are compiled and integrated into one main application. Each of these applications can be launched by simply pressing the button against each of this application text. Also, at the bottom of the application window, you will find the exit button. By pressing the exit button, you can close the application. Today, for the demonstration purposes, I am going to launch the PSV gas service application, and later I will explain the main feature of the application. Now I will press the PSV gas service application button. The application will be launched immediately on the computer. On the main application, the top bar shows the title bar with the name of the application. Below the title bar, there is a menu bar with various multiple options. On the left hand side, you will have the file menu. On the file menu, you will further find three options. New option as to launch a new instance of the application. Save option to save the PDF file of the result, and the exit option to exit the application. Also, the about application. By pressing the about application, you can see the main brief information about the developer and the application. Also, on the help menu, when you press the help menu, the application manual will be launched. It is in the PDF format. On the main application manual, the details of how to use this application with the graphical interface and the pictures and further detail of each step is provided, which user can read out in detail along with the application. Now, going back to the main application window, the next option on the menu bar is the number formatting option. In the number formatting option, there are further 4 options are given to format the result in different number format style: fixed style, standard style, scientific and round. We will talk about that in a few seconds later. The next option is a link to the website where you can further review the chemical engineering applications available on the website. Now, on the main application window, there are two sections. On the left hand side, the input section is where the user need to provide the required inputs to run the application. Also, user can select various options from the given drop-down list. Also, user can change or select the desired unit of measures for each input as appropriate from the given drop-down list, as you can see on the application. Once the user provide all the information in the required input fields, then by simply pressing the calculate button down below, the application can run and calculate, and calculation will be done immediately. In the result section, all the calculated results are shown in the respective fields over here. Also, the user can change the unit of measures of the results as appropriate. As you can see from the drop-down list, a multiple number of units are given, which user can select anytime. Further, at the bottom of the application, there is a message bar. At the moment, you can see there is a green color on the message bar with the caption OK on it, which means that the calculation is done successfully and no errors are found. However, if the user did provide incorrect value in the input section, for example, then run the application by pressing the calculate button, the application will give an error message in the message bar showing that there is some incorrect units are provided or inputs are provided in the units, where the user can go back, change the required and desired input to the correct value, and then simply press the calculate button to run the application again. Also, more feature is provided in this application where the user does not need to come on the calculate button and press every time to run the application. However, the user can simply change any of the given input from this drop-down list and the application will be done immediately. The application will run immediately. As you can see, if I change the inputs from the given list, the application results are changed. Basically, the application will refresh and run itself automatically and give you the right results according to your selected input from the drop-down list. Also, coming back to this number formatting option on the file menu, here the user can select any appropriate number formatting style. After selecting any number formatting style, the application will run immediately and change the number style in the result section. As you can see, when I am changing the number style format, the formatting of the result section are changing accordingly. Also, once the calculation is completed, the user wanted to print out the results into the PDF format. For that, users can simply go and press the print preview button at the bottom. By pressing the print preview button, the print preview window will appear with the results as shown on the paper. By selecting the page numbers, and from the top right side of the window, user can analyze how the results will be printed out on the paper. Further, if it is okay, the user can simply go to the top left hand side of the window where the print option is given. By simply pressing the print button, the results can be printed out and saved as in the PDF format on the computer. As I am doing it right now, the results are saved as a PDF file and shown on the computer. Further, these results can be printed out via computer or can be emailed to anybody as required. Now coming back to the application, more option is provided on the main application window, where the user can simply send the PDF results into the PDF format or to the printer by simply pressing the print button. A print dialog box will open where the user can select the printer of their choice. The similar action can be performed from the file menu on the top left side of the application, where the user can simply select the file menu, go to the save option, and then the similar function of saving the file as a PDF or sending it to the appropriate printer can be done immediately. So these are the main features of how to use these applications and what applications offers within itself. Hope you like this video, and for a more informative demonstration and videos on the new chemical engineering applications, please visit my channel. Hope to see you again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.